telling you.
Okay, bounce her again.
Get it from the other.
Yeah, I think Daddy's been doing too much burping of the baby lately. The baby's in the swing, but yet he's doing this to the cat.
You should see her face. She's like, what is this? I need you to burp, kiddo. I need you to burp. Come on, burp. You gotta practice.
Chris, so what's going on here?
I'm burping our cat because she was sitting on my testicles and it was hurting. So now I'm practicing burping the cat.
So angry.
Well, she's angry at Arlo, not me. Hey, the dog's not gonna hurt you, okay? Oh. He's like, oh yeah? Oh yeah? Come on, let's burp. Give me a burp. Give me a burp. Come on, kitty cat. Give me a burp. Alright, you can snuggle with me now.